Okay, so in this video, we're talking about how to add a certificate to your resume in FlowCV, and honestly, this is a really quick but super useful section that you can just edit into. First, go ahead and pick the resume file you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, just click the Add Content button right here. For this example, I'll be using a fake resume just to make things easier to follow. No need about leaking any information. Now you'll see there's actually a lot of different sections you can add, which is pretty nice. Since I want to include a certificate, I'll look through and click on Certificate. From here, you can copy and paste your certificate details, like the title, who issued it, the date, and any extra info you want to include. Feel free to play around with it and make it look exactly how you want. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just click Done and your certificate shows up instantly on your resume. And yeah, that's basically how to add a certificate to your resume in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.